Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to give you a detailed tutorial and complete overview of TradeWiz bot. So if you want to check it out, you can use the link that is given in the description in order to save 10% on trading fees on this platform. But before I proceed, I'm going to but before I proceed, let me remind you that using trading bots can be risky. So do your thorough research before investing. I'm not a financial advisor and this video is for educational and informational purposes only. Now, once you click on the link that is given in the description, you will be redirected in your Telegram account where you need to simply click on the start button and this type of menu will be opened in front of you. Now, by default, a Solana wallet address will be created for you, which you can use in order to add balance into your TradeWiz account. So in order to deposit some Solana into your account, you need to just tap on this address in order to copy it, and from your Phantom wallet or any other wallet you can deposit Solana into your TradeWiz account. Now over here, if you want to buy token, you need to simply click on the buy option. Then it will ask you to provide the address of the token that you want to purchase. So you just have to simply provide the address over here. In order to find the address of your favorite meme coin, you just have to simply go to that exchange where you want to purchase that token, and then you just have to simply copy the address. For example, let's say I want to purchase peanuts, so I'm on coin market cap, and from here you just have to simply copy the contract address. Then you need to paste the address in this section and press enter. Now once you do this, it will give you all of the information relating to the token that you have entered, and here you will be able to see a bunch of different options associated with it. Now most of them are the presets which you can use in order to make quick buy over here. You can even place the limit orders on the address or the coin that you have selected. If you want to enter your own Solana amount, then you can even click on the buy X Sol, and here you just have to enter the amount like this, and you need to press enter. And as you can see that now the entered amount will be here, and you will be able to see the check right next to it. Now by default the slippage will be on the 18%, so if you are okay with it then it is good, but if you want to provide your own percentage, then you need to simply click on the X percentage, and here you need to provide the value and press enter. Once you do this, you will see that now the slippage that we have entered is here, and we have the green check right next to it. Now once you are okay with it, you just have to simply click on the buy option and then wait for some time until your transaction is completed. Once your transaction is done, it will say that transaction is successful, and then you will be able to purchase your favorite meme coin on TradeWiz. Similar is the case with sell. You just have to simply click on the sell option and it will show you in this list all of the coins that you have. So you need to select the coin that you want to sell. Then you will be able to see these types of presets as well. So you need to select whether you want to sell 100%, 50%, or if you want to enter your own amount of percentage, you will be able to see this type of pencil icon. So you need to click on that and provide your own percentage amount. Then you simply need to press the sell button and wait for some time until your transaction is completed. Once your transaction is done, it will say that transaction is successful, and this way you can basically buy and sell at TradeWiz bot. Next, the option that they have given is of copy trade. So you just have to simply click on the copy trade option, and here the interface of copy trade will look something like this, where the check mark with green indicates a copy trade setup is active, whereas the orange will indicate that the copy trade setup is paused. Over here you can by default add 20 addresses that you can copy. So basically at a time you can add 200 plus addresses over here. So in order to add address, you just have to simply click on the add button. Here you need to click on tag and provide the address tag. So this will basically the name of your copy trade. Afterwards, you need to provide the target wallet. So click on the target wallet option and provide the target wallet address, and it will come over here. Then you can set the buy percentage. So you can click on the buy percentage, and as per your trading experience, you can provide how much percentage do you want to copy the other person. Next, we have the option of maximum buy and minimum buy. So if you want to set the limit, you can do that with the help of these options. It will also show you total investment in Sol. So if you want it to limited, then you need to simply click over here, and you can provide the limit. By default it will be on no limited. Next, each token by time. So by default it will be on not limited, but you can just click on over here and you can enter the value that each time token by times reset after sold. So by default it will be on false, so you can even make it true. So you can make changes into these copy trading settings as per your own trading experience. They have also the option of renounced. So by default it will be on buy, and I would recommend you to keep it on buy. They have also given you the option of unburned, so you can keep it as buy. Next, they given you the option traders transaction maximum limit, so you can define the maximum limit and the minimum limit over here. If you want to copy the pump fund address, meaning that if your target address is trading in the pump fund coins, and if you want to do that, you can keep it as true. But if you click on it, if it is false, it simply means that you won't be able to copy the pump coins. Similar is the case with Radium. You can even provide minimum LP over here. If you want to set the minimum and maximum market cap, you can also do this with the option. As you can see for yourself that in the copy trading they have given you bunch of different options. So if you are looking for a trading board specifically for copy trading, you can check out TradeWiz. Now here we have the option of copy cells. So if you want to copy your target wallet's sellings as well, you can use this option. You need to make sure that it is set on true. Afterwards, we have the option of sell by position ratios. So by default, it will be on false. But if you want to make them true, you need to simply click on true. If you want no position sell notice, so you can make it false. Otherwise, you can make it true. If you want to auto retry, you can just click on it and it will be auto retried. First, copy sell percentage. So you can define how much percentage uh, do you want to set as a copy sell. uh, Here you will have the pump slippage as well, that would be by default on 50%. So I won't recommend you to change anything over here because TradeWiz has given you the best settings possible. Similar is the case with slippage. However, for selling purposes, you can keep the slippage at 30% or between 20 to 30%. Next, buy gas fees and the sell gas fees. So you can just click over here and you can enter the gas fees of your choice for buying and selling. For map protection, you can just click over here and it will be enabled the map protection for your trading. Next, we have the option of buy tip and sell tip, so you can use these options. Next, we have the auto sell option. So if you want to enable auto sell, you simply need to click on it. So once it is true, it simply means that you have enabled auto sell. Now you can enter the amount of total profit over here, then amount in the percentage. If you want to add any entry, you just have to simply click on add, and then you just have to simply provide further details. Like you just have to simply provide further details in order to add the address over here. Next, once you are done with all of these settings, you just have to simply click on the create button and your entry will be created and you will be able to view it on the home page of yours. So this was the overview of settings on TradeWiz. Let's just go to the main menu and check what other options they have provided. So we have the option of smart money. So what is smart money? So smart money helps you buying a specific token. So you need to simply click on the button that is locate smart money for a specific token. Then you need to enter the token contract address and it will display the list of the smart money for that token. So if you want to get the smart money, so you simply need to click on give me a smart money address to get today's recommended smart money. So this is also a great feature. It will show you this list, so you can use this list in order to plan your trade. So this is the very good option that I won't find any in any other bots. Next, you will have the option of limit orders. So if you click on this option, you can place limit orders on your purchasing, and you can even click on the auto sell and provide all of these details in order to enable auto sell. If you click on the post option, it will turn green, and then you will be able to just have to provide all of these information in order to set the auto sell. If you click on the positions, you will see all of the positions of yours opened, close, everything you will see with the help of positions options. If you click on wallet, you will be able to see your currently available wallet, which in my case is one. But if you want to import any other wallet, you can just simply click over here and you can import any other wallet into it. Next option is of help. So if you want to seek help from them for any situation, you can just click over here, and then they will give you a bunch of their platforms with the help of which you can directly talk to them, which is the great option. If we go to the settings, you can change the settings in your TradeWiz account as per your on trading experience. You can go with the buy settings, you can provide presets over here. Similarly, you can provide presets for selling. You can enable or disable map protection. For tip, you can enter the own amount of yours. To enable auto buy, you need to simply click on it, and then you just have to enter the amount of auto buy. So these were some of the basic settings of a TradeWiz bot. So this was a complete overview of TradeWiz bot. The best thing that I like about this bot is that they have given you a bunch of different options for copy trading. As you can see that there is a bunch of different options that they have provided you, plus the smart money and the smart wallet option is also great. So if you want to use these features, you can use the link that is given in the description, and you can go ahead and start using TradeWiz bot. You can use the link in order to save 10% rebate on trading fees. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.